down and ready to ride. Ugh, why would it mute me? Ugh. Where's the YouTuber's dunce cap that they wear when they're muted? I was so fucking ready. And then, oh, and look at me swearing 1 minute in. Well, you heard the music, right? The intro, that's good. Good. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, welcome to Court Watchers Anonymous. We forgot what I was saying. It's okay though. It doesn't really matter. I hope everybody's doing well. Tell me what you have for dinner. Is it dinner time yet? No. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6:45 back east. We have some court to watch today. We are going to do the guessing my crime. We have some brand new things, Jonathan. We have some brand new things. This one, that one. And then when it's no more bets time. I like that one. And then, of course, we have the thank you one with the sound. And I changed that one up slightly. And then we have the intro. Now I just have to do an outro and all the rest of the things that I need to do. But I tried. So we've started. Grim, welcome. I am glad that we've still got Streamlabs with us, that he's cool with this threesome that we have going on here with StreamYard. But I hope that everybody's had a good weekend. Slap fighting last night was a blast. Sorry, I'm still learning how to navigate this program. Obviously, it's different than Streamlabs. But it's also it's got its pros and cons. I want more slap fighting too. Miss Carrie was lining up me and her fight. Silly. But oh geez. My phone just went off with a comment. I don't know if it was one of you guys, because I saw a little secret mission that people were going on. I do want to talk about titty slap fight. That would be sweet. Yeah, I'm into that too. Again, reminder, this show is not for children. My day is going sort of okay. This is a great reminder. Erica's here for her meeting. Could you please, we'll check you in. Guys, if you need this for any purpose, like you want to present for some reason, just let me know. We'll start keeping track of how many meetings you come to. We're good. Now, we do have court to watch. Look at this. I don't think we've seen these girls before. It's a ragtag group, I'll say. present like a mandrill. Viewer discretion is advised. Larry, the slap fight beaver, didn't we have fun at slap fights? It was so fun. I keep clicking the wrong buttons. Oh my God. I wanted to show this. We had hamburgers and baked potatoes. I think I'm going to make Slappy Joes. I think I'm going to make Slappy Joes tonight. We did. It was such a blast. As usual. And I think it's happening once a month. It's fun. I had a blast as usual. Apples that need to be used. You don't have oatmeal. What recipe can I suggest? I can suggest 2 things for you that would be great. Number 1, apple sauce is a 1-for-1 replacement in baking for oil. So I know you're like, oh, nobody fucking eats it. But if they eat your zucchini bread, they eat your banana bread, they eat your whatever type of loaf that you have. Nah, but I never made it, Graham. The Sloppy Joes. Oh, Slappy Joes. But anyways, so applesauce is always good to have if the apples have gone too far and you can't process them. I would make apple pie filling and then like serve that over top of ice cream or on its own. Something like that. That's what I would do with extra apples. If you don't have but again, apple bread, again, apple cake, a coffee cake with apples in it. You can juice apples and make pretty good juice with apples. And also, of course, a favorite of mine as a child would be like baked apples, like slices that become sort of leathery, like fruit leathers, and you can gnaw on them. That was a treat when I was a kid. Here's a baked apple slice. And you could throw apples at people. I understand, though, about having too many sometimes apples. The town that I live in has a program. And now maybe this is not what's happening to you, but this is a good thought for anybody that does have fruit producing trees. Oftentimes there may be a charity within your area that will come and pick the fruit for you and then donate it to a food bank or whatever. And so instead of your pears or your apples or whatever going to waste on your backyard, they send in people and they give you some and then they take the rest of them. We've done that for a couple years at my old place. Oh, I lost the back of an earring. And it's very handy. Pears. That was like constantly they're falling and then they attract deer. And deer aren't good for that. So yeah, apple jelly, gluten-free recipe, apples, potatoes, onions, and sausage in a casserole dish, maple syrup all over. Woo! Oh, Canada. Bake until desired firmness of potatoes. I like it. That's a good idea. Nobody bobs for apples anymore. I want to bring that back. Let's start bobbing for apples again. Oh, did you guys hear that? I'd be curious if people just heard the Discord alert. Also, if you have a dehydrator, dehydrated apples are oh, you heard it. Okay. That's not excellent. I went through a prepping phase, and so I started dehydrating a lot of different things. One of my favorite things to dehydrate is chives or green onions when they are on sale. You buy a fuck ton of them, and then they're so easy to dehydrate, and they keep so well in a mason jar. And if you have a food saver machine that does like food saver stuff, it'll come with like a jar attachment, and you can seal mason jars. Yeah. I love like big batch cooking and like prepping. I think one of the main things that people say when they see the food that I make is, how many people are you cooking for? That's the most often like said thing to me. Did you make enough food? How many people are you cooking for? Usually the answer is like 3 people, and I always make too much food. I don't know why. There's something deep within me. Sometimes I see like people, especially there are channels I follow where they have like 10 kids or whatever in the family, and they'll go grocery shopping. I don't know why I like watching that, but I do. And she's like, okay, we're going to make shrimp tacos tonight. And then she proceeds to buy less ingredients than I would buy for 3 people. And I'm like, am I missing something? Did I fuck up here? Like, she's like pondering between 1 can or 2 cans of beans. And I'm thinking to myself, well, you would definitely get 2 cans. Because in my mind, 1 can for sure, possibly 2. And that's for 3 people. Again, I just find it hard to understand sometimes. But then again, the people seem fed. Everybody's fucking fed. What? Cellulite yoga pants? There's a video under KCC's video. Arab. What do you mean? If there's a deal. Oh yeah. So I'll link the video. We'll link the video. I know what you're talking about. Why don't we just try and go to one that's monetized? No offense. But if that one's the one about, oh no, it's the one about the cop bribing. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I thought you were talking, the other one is, whatever, the video, the one about the guy who got R-worded in prison. That one is not good. Yeah, like I'm a single lady in essence. I don't know why she said that. But I'm a single lady in essence, but I buy now, like I'm cooking for, it's complicated. I don't even want to talk about it. Let's not talk about it. Let's watch court. Let's not talk about it. Let's watch court. Autocorrect got her like the mute got me. Look at these people leaning. Oh, look at her hair. Oh, hi, Judge.
Good morning.
Yep, good morning.
Can everybody hear me? Okay. Okay, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Good morning today, everyone. It is February 24th, 2024. I'm Judge Beatrice Scott. I am in the Magistrate Court Judge. I'll be presiding over the matters in court today. Please, at any time, if you are having trouble hearing me, let me know. There are a few things that I need to go over with you before setting the calendar. Please listen carefully, as it will help you better understand the nature and purpose of today's proceedings. First, we're not here to try your case, to take a plea in your case, or have any legal discussions about your matter or the specific facts about your case. The purpose of this first appearance hearing is to inform you of the charges against you, advise you of certain rights, set bonds for those offenses which the court is authorized to set bond, to schedule a preliminary hearing, and to determine whether you require the assistance of an attorney. You have the right to remain silent. Please do not attempt to tell me any specifics about your case or any legal defenses that you may have. As I said earlier, this is being recorded. Anything you say in these proceedings can and will be used against you in later proceedings. During this and all other proceedings, you have the following rights. You have the right to presumption of innocence. You have the right to an indictment by grand jury for most felonies and for an accusation filed against you for misdemeanors. You have the right to a speedy and public trial. You have the right to compel the attendance of witnesses to testify on your behalf. You have the right to see, hear, and cross-examine all witnesses that are called to testify against you. You have the right to testify on your own behalf or offer evidence in your own defense. You have the right to have an attorney represent you. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one can be appointed to represent you if you qualify. Also, if you are not a citizen, some charges may adversely affect your immigration status. Please make sure that you consult an attorney. Some of you will be allowed to post unrestricted bonds for your release from jail pending the prosecution of this case. These bonds may be posted in 3 different ways: by cash, commercial, or property. If you post a cash bond, someone will deliver the full amount of the bond in cash together with any mandated fees to the sheriff's office, who will hold it until your final court date, at which time your cash will be returned to you, to the person who posted it. If you do not have the full bond amount in cash, you can use a commercial bonding company who may take up to 15% of the bond for their service, but this fee will not be returned to you. You may also have someone post a property bond as long as there is net equity in that property of at least 3 times the amount of your bond. For example, if we set a bond for $2,000, your property will have to have at least $6,000 in equity to qualify as a property bond. Each of you will have as a condition of your bond that you are not to violate any laws while out on bond. Some of you will have additional special conditions that prohibit you from contacting certain people or going around certain places. If you have a no contact provision on your bond, this means you must stay away and have no contact with the victim. You may not call, text, email, write a letter, or contact them through any social media platform. You can't even do something nice for that person, such as sending them flowers or sending them a nice song. As nice as that may be, it would be a violation of your bond.
A nice song.
If I order you not to return to a particular location, that means that you cannot go back to that location for any reason. If the no return to location is a shared residence, meaning you reside there with the alleged victim, please let me know and I will authorize you to go back, but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect some of your belongings that are not in dispute, meaning that there is no issue with who owns that property. You will need to make that appointment within 10 days of being released. The court takes these conditions very seriously. Now, unfortunately, some percentage of you will be back in court on a bond revocation because you didn't take what I am saying seriously. Instead, you will return to the residence or reconcile with the victim. Please make sure that you follow the order until it is modified or your case is resolved. If you do not violate the bond order and the court considers your contact intimidating or harassing, you can receive additional felony charges such as aggravated stalking or influencing a witness. These type of charges carry punishment of up to 20 years in prison and $20,000 in fines. Also, if your spouse, family member, or friend is the alleged victim in your case, he or she will not be allowed to post your bond, as the court will have no contact order as a special condition on your bond. You are also not allowed to contact the victim while you are in jail. Some of you are charged with offenses for which this court is not authorized by law to set bond. In this event, a bond hearing will be scheduled before the judge of Superior Court of Clayton County. If you are currently active on probation, the court is not authorized to set a bond at this time. Whether a bond is appropriate in your case will be reconsidered after your probation officer has had an opportunity to consider your new arrest. They will also set a preliminary hearing for your case. Please listen carefully. The purpose of a preliminary hearing is to determine whether there is enough evidence or probable cause to keep you detained on your charges. If you bond out, your preliminary hearing is automatically waived because you are out of jail and no longer detained. If you are charged with misdemeanors only, when you come before the court,
no, they will be charged with different things, Erica, and we will go through it all, and I will use my fancy graphics. Also, what kind of church do you think I would be going to dressed like this? I don't know. I've never been to church, so y'all be so sweet, though. Thank you.
hearing date, if you ask me what that means, when I ask you if you wish to waive your preliminary hearing. I've already explained that, so I will not explain it again.
Yeah, I muted
do not
the video.
want you waiving your preliminary hearing if you don't understand what it means. Again, if you bond out, you'll be waiving your preliminary hearing.
They're not all charged together, but they are all talk, like they're all being given their instructions together. And yes, Jonathan, I did that because I am slightly getting more technical because, again, recently been called the worst law tuber. This is a blanket statement about the arraignment procedure that's happening right now. And soon enough, each individual person will come forth. We'll pause the video. We'll guess what their crime is. Then we'll go with it. Can I get some guys in the truck? Oh my gosh. I tried to lure the guys out of Mikey's truck, but I don't really want to talk about it because TPOs, etc., etc., etc. Yeah. Ooh, that sounds nice, Lisa. What do I got? I got it was a 4-pack. A 4-pack. Ooh. Danger. Okay, let's keep going. Hooray.
Automatically. Also, if you have a prior criminal history, meaning that this is not your first arrest, you are not eligible for an OR or signature bond. Finally, I will now swear you all in for the purposes of these proceedings. If you understand and swear to what, once I read the oath, please respond with "I do." Everyone, please raise your right hand so that I can swear you in. Do you swear or affirm that the information that you're about to give in this court, as well as on any information provided on your application for court-appointed counsel, is true and correct? If you do agree, please say "I do."
I do.
All right, you may put your hands down.
Right. Yeah, you know. It was in the video. My last live, 2 lives ago went weirdly viral. My scale, so 2,400 views, but still. Girl, you leaning up against the wall. Hold on. What did she do? Hold on. It is time to guess the crime. That's right, folks. Get your guesses in. What did she do? Oh, the judge looks mad in this picture. Looks mad. Sashina starting us off with a bang. Bang, 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 bang. Oh my God. Doesn't the judge look really mad? I hope not. Oh, beat on her. Hold on. We'll do that for now. You're going with trespassing. Judge's twin sister. Assault. Beverly, this sounds like a defense. Not exactly what the crime was, but I'll give it to you. Hi, Billy. The judge looks like that girl kicked her dog, right? Okay. No more bets. No more bets. Let's go. Well, I mean, you can get your bets in while she's still.
What's your last name again?
Carrie.
Okay. All right, Ms. Harris, you've been charged with striking a fixed vehicle or parked vehicle. Your bond is $1,500.
Striking a parked vehicle. Nobody guessed that.
You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing, if you don't bond out, is March 26th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. And you'll be released later today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I wish you all the best.
Striking a parked vehicle? That's her only charge, though? Girl! Okay, guys.
What's your name, ma'am?
Jalen Holly.
It's time. Do it again. Guess the crime. What did she do? The last girl struck a parked vehicle. Wasn't expecting that one. But yeah, perhaps it was this, Jonathan, right? She hit the judge's car, and that's why the judge was pissed. So yeah, what do we think with this one? DUI, drugs, stealing, shoplifting, disorderly, drugs. Jonathan went in public with that hair. Really bad taste. Trespassing, prostitute, impersonating a stoplight. That's fucking funny. All right, no more bets. Let's go.
All right, Ms. Holloway. You have been charged with violation of a seatbelt law, and where your bond is $500. Driver suspended license, your bond is $1,500. The total amount of your bond is $2,000. You've indicated you do not wish to apply for a public defender. Is that correct?
I'm out.
All right. So you would hire your own attorney. Your preliminary hearing, if you don't bond out, is March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. And you'll be released later today. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Wish you all the best.
Girl, okay. She's running through these fast. Here we go again. You go to jail for no seatbelt, but I think it was more than no driver's license, or was it suspended license? But these are some crazy charges today, you guys. Rick, is that what you think? Well, you know what's happening. You know it's time. Guess the crime. Put it in the chat. What did they do? Were they a brat? KCR, I'm just in my brain, just every time says mom. And I know now what it means, but still. Beat up her baby daddy. DV, which is a common thing around here. Prostitution, we don't hear as much, but it's possible. It is absolutely possible. Whoa. Jonathan, why do you have a link to me singing? When did I sing? I don't know about that. Miss Courtney, what's up, girl? Porch Pirate. Being a Karen after being pulled over for drunk driving, speeding. Make a spreadsheet. Oh dear. A 404 error, probably. Oh, it's a happy birthday version? Yeah. Well, I do that. If it's somebody's birthday, I will sing a happy birthday. All right.
What's your name, ma'am?
Andrea Johnson.
All right, Ms. Johnson, you've been charged by with the felony offense of theft by conversion. Your bond is $5,000. You do qualify for public defender.
Oh, what?
Your preliminary.
Hold on. Theft by conversion. They deleted the proof. Uh-oh. Well, I've sung happy birthday. I sang happy birthday recently.
Hearing, if you don't bond out, is March 25th
My
at
birthday!
8:30 a.m. via Zoom, and you'll be released later today. All right, ma'am? All right, I wish you all the best.
Birthday. My birthday.
Ooh,
Ooh, what'd she
there's another
do?
dressing in here.
What did she do? Guess the crime. Guess the crime. What'd she do? This is going so fast. This judge is super duper fast. Super duper fast. A crime spinner to double down on the guesses. That's a good idea. I wish I knew how to do that. The charges here are crazy. I think the craziest one I've heard is crossed against the light as a pedestrian, which I thought was crazy. But, you know, some of these guesses are hilarious. You guys are making me laugh. Yeah, hosting an illegal flea market. I like it. I like it a lot. That's Creed's crime. I like the idea of having a spinner. No more. Yeah, don't jaywalk. They serious about jaywalking. We're savage. Let's go.
What's your name, ma'am?
Tiffany Johnson.
All right, Ms. Johnson, you've been charged with driving with a suspended license. Your bond is $1,500. You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing, if you don't bond out, is March 26th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing, ma'am?
I'm
Did you-
not, sure.
Not sure. Okay, so that's gonna be your preliminary hearing date. Okay, and I wish you all the best, all right, ma'am?
Thank you.
That's it. My God, she's so fast with these girls. Okay, hold on. Wait, we gotta guess.
What's-
Well, we gotta guess. People are gonna complain about my use of these graphics. I don't fucking care. I think that this lady, it's a DV charge. It's assaultive. I'm thinking assaultive, but you think it was shoplifting feminine hygiene products, which would be sad. Got sassy with a police officer during a routine stop. Would love to see that. Oh my God. Those are hilarious. Yes, that right there. That's exactly what it was. No, they get given those in the jail. That is something they give them in this jail at least. All right. Let's keep it going. It might be assault, like Eric said. Wait. I went away for 1 second. And then, bam! There's Chris Engelby. She stole your flogger. I hope. Are you talking about this girl's hair, or are you saying that somebody actually stole your flogger? Thank you so much. Did that work? I want to do it one more time. I want to see it again. That works pretty good, doesn't it? With the big arrow down there. Non-sanctioned slap fight. Thank you so much, Chris. I so appreciate that. You were awesome. Oh, corrupt judges. Yeah, we should do that. Tons. That's definitely something on the agenda. Do. Yes. One of my favorite sounds. Oh, you had a great weekend until, I don't like that. Not until. Let's see what this lady did.
What's your name?
Tatiana Lee.
All right, Ms. Lee, you've been charged with robbery. Your bond is $3,000. Theft by taking, your bond is $2,000. Simple battery, your bond is $1,000. And a family violence order violation, your bond is $2,000. Total amount of your bond is $8,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Alexis Washington or Catherine Harper. All right, do you understand your bond conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom if you don't bond out. All right, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
All right, I wish you all the best.
Oh, Chris, that's so not good. I hope it works for you. What are we going with on this one? I think you guys can hear me when that one's playing, but not the other one. I'm not sure about it though. What do we got? Erica's going with assaults. Yeah, I know, tons. There's tons. No bugs. Good. Good. Vicky says domestic violence. Oh, you always have to get consent before you touch somebody's beaver. That's a good that's a good lesson. Oh my God. Right? Could be. A false information. That's a good one, Grim. That actually could be. It could be. It could be. It could be. That's it. I'm going to say she's a prostitute. Allegedly, in my opinion.
What's your name, ma'am?
More.
All right, Ms. Moore, you've been charged with criminal trespass. Your bond is $1,500. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Ryan Oliver, that you not return to 303 Indian Lake Drive until this case is complete. Do you understand your conditions, ma'am?
Yes, I also live there. My neighbor is on the lease as well.
Okay, you can make an appointment with the sheriff to go out and pick up any belongings that you have, but you're not able to remain at the, or to go back to the home until this case is complete, all right?
Okay, and you said 1,500.
Yes.
What?
Okay.
Based upon your application, ma'am, you do not qualify for a public defender. You would have to hire your own attorney, okay?
Alright.
In your preliminary hearing, would you like to waive it since you're charged with the misdemeanor?
I do
That's a
still
good
want
question.
Okay, I'm gonna set it for March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
You don't bond out, all right? I wish you all the best. What's your name, ma'am?
Yeah, Richardson.
What is her name? I didn't hear her because she doesn't project her voice, but that's okay. She's just in jail and it's not the thing to do. Shaking my head at myself like, shut the fuck up, please. Hit the fucking play button. Guess the crime. Put them in the chats. What do you think? I think that this one did an assault. It's a family member assault. And that's what I'm going with. That's what I'm sticking with. The way it goes. Armless robbery. Yes. It is. Yes. I think those. Oh, Lisa. Probably a good guess. Oh, robbery at the Walmart. Bev, I love when you do funny ones. We love funny ones. Funny ones. Wait, let go.
All right, Ms. Richardson, you've been charged with driving with suspended license. Your bond is $1,500. And stop sign, yield sign violation, your bond is $500. The total amount of your bond is $2,000. Based upon your application, ma'am, you would have to hire your own attorney. You do not qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing, if you don't bond out, is March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, and you'll be released later today, okay?
Thank you.
All right, I wish you all the best.
No, we always play bingo. Oh, look at her.
What's your name, ma'am?
Courtney. Courtney's in jail. Get your guesses in. Hurry up. I need to find another joint. I'm going to let it roll for a couple minutes here after we get these guesses in. Assault is a good question. Again, going out with that hair number 3, right? We've seen it so many times today. So many times today. Look at all these good guesses. You guys are so fucking smart. Ugh, drugs is such a good option. I'm going with she destroyed a fence. Destroyed a fence. That's what I'm going with. What? I don't know.
All right, Ms. Thrasher, you've been charged with battery. Your bond is $3,000. Cruelty to children in the 3rd degree. Your bond is $2,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Elijah Singleton until this case is complete. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing right now is March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Would you like to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right, I have you as waiving, okay? All right. I wish you all the best, all right, ma'am?
Thank you. Morning.
Ma'am,
All right, what did she do? It's time to guess the crime. It's time to guess the crime. Go ahead, guess the crime for this lady. Again with the hair, going out with her hair like that. I should be careful. My hair is close to it, but not. But I think this one is probably related to her methany lifestyle. But you know what I mean. Oh, Chris, of course. You're so sweet. You're always such a great support. Trespassing. Wow. All right. I'm rushing through this because we got to do this and then we got members only later, and I got some funny shit to show you guys. Nothing court related, funny enough, but funny stuff. I think she's methany. I think she's methany. Okay, let's go.
ma'am?
Amanda will.
All right. Ms. Walker, you've been charged with theft by shoplifting. Your bond is $1,500. And possession of or violating the Georgia Controlled Substance Act, your bond is $3,000. The total amount of your bond is $4,500. Your bond has special conditions that you not return to Home Depot in Morrow, Georgia. Do you understand?
I have a question about, so I was working, but so today would have been my third day that I missed at work, so I'm sure they fired me.
Okay, I have qualified you for a public defender to assist you. Your preliminary hearing is March 5th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
I wish you all the best.
Hey, y'all gonna do the female recruit? Rest of the fellas, y'all gonna have a seat. You'll tell us your first last name.
Nicholas Anderson.
All right,
Mr. Anderson, we're on to the men now, guys. What did this gentleman do? What did he do? What did he do? Get your theft by taking, grand theft for little Nick. Moida, Courtney, don't say it. Say it isn't so. Say it isn't so. Arson, dangerous. Suspension of his license. Damn, you guys are good with it. Oh, dangerous. Scary. I think he's a criminal trespasser. I think he trespassed criminally. That's what I think. Oh, offered mustache rides. Is it bad to offer? Open mic? Hi, by the way. Okay, let's go. All right.
Anderson,
Wipe on that.
Oh, I don't know. Y'all have your hands behind your back, please.
All seven in here. All people have seven.
all right, Mr. Anderson, you have been charged with criminal damage to property in second degree. Your bond is $2,000. 4 counts of obstruction of an officer. Your bond is $1,000 for each of those counts. The total amount of your bond is $6,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Taylor Lewis, and that you not return to 7132 George's Way until this case is complete.
Yes.
Do you understand your bond conditions, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom.
That's my
If
birthday.
you don't bond out, all right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I wish you all the best.
Go sign that, in their white box.
Okay. What did the next guy do?
How you doing?
Oh, sir. I am guessing right now indecent exposure. But what do you guys guess? Guess with this gentleman, no offense, it's just alleged, it's in my opinion, but my goodness, he looks like a dirty pirate. Yeah, we all need a group hug. We don't like graping. Definitely, that would be terrible. Oh, Jonathan, I mean, we've seen it before. We'll see it again. Oh dear. You guys, these are good guesses. Okay. Okay. All right.
Mr. Asbury?
Now,
All right, you've been charged with public indecency. Your bond is $2,000. And loitering or prowling, your bond is $1,000. The total amount of your bond is $3,000.
Oh my God, I fucking
You
can
do
pick out
qualify for a public
pervert.
defender.
I can pick out a fucking pervert. Is that a good skill? I don't know, but I just fucking knew. Oh, I said it at the beginning, indecent. Oh my gosh. Terrible. Not good at all. Not good behavior. But I knew it. I just have this sense.
Your preliminary hearing is March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Would you like to waive that, sir?
no, ma'am.
All right, except for the 26th, okay?
All right.
Wish you all the best.
You got mine? Right here.
Yeah, I have a sixth sense of creepiness for
Right,
sure.
it's
Because I'm a
Cleveland.
creepo.
All right,
I get it.
Mr. Cleveland, you've been charged with aggravated assault.
Oh,
and kidnapping,
Whoa!
possession of a weapon during the commission of a crime, and false imprisonment. No bond has been set for any of those charges or overall. You do have 2 misdemeanor charges: discharge a firearm near a highway, your bond is $5,000 for that, and reckless conduct, your bond is $5,000 for that. Your bond has
Judge, you just shoved that in too fast. That was wow. Wow. Those are serious charges. Very serious charges. His crime was like mic drop, like judge. Oh my God. Oh geez. Jeez. Okay, hold on. Let's just.
special conditions that you not have any contact with Alicia McLean until this case is complete. You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Do you understand your special conditions, sir? All right, I wish you all the best, okay?
No bond. KCR. What did this guy do, you guys? Oh my God, that last one took us by surprise. Guess now. It's time to guess the crime. Go ahead. Also, Knives Are Life is here. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, a little holiday coming up. Hang out in jail for a little bit, hey? Yeah. I think, I mean, those were crazy. Salty Buddha, lurk away, lurk away, lurk away. Okay, these are good guesses for this guy. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I think that he ripped a tag off of a mattress. That's my guess. What do you think? Get your guess in the chat right now before bets close. You can guess as many times as you like, remember, and you can be funny or real because we like to have fun around here. That's how we deal. He looks like that last guy was fucked up. Does a Prius have a catalytic converter? I'm still shook finding out that Mikey has a Prius. But oh, ripped the tag off while it was still in the mattress store. Danger, 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 danger. All right. No more.
My number.
All right, Mr. Frambro, you've been charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and possession of a weapon during the commission of a crime, 2 felony offenses. No bond has been set for those offenses or overall in your case at this time, okay?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
Also charged with
bond.
misdemeanor charges, cruelty to children. In the 3rd degree, your bond is $5,000. Reckless conduct, your bond is $5,000. And discharge of a firearm, your bond is $5,000. Your bond has special conditions that you don't have any contact with Nashina Sims, Nakira Sims, Kayla Reese, Trinez Kelly, or Jeremiah Fambro II until this case is complete, okay? Or unless your attorney advises you otherwise.
And
What type of work do you do?
what type of work? You what? You tow?
All right. You do qualify for public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th
My
at
birthday.
8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Jeremiah was a bullfrog.
All right. I wish you all the best.
Peace out.
Round of applause, Steph.
All right, Mr. Foster, you've been charged with hit and
Whoa. Hit and run. I can't unhear it. I know. I didn't imagine Mikey in a truck, but I didn't fucking imagine him in a Prius. Funny. Yeah, that's not a good situation. This guy just did hit and run. That's not good. This one's not good. I already listened to it though, so I gotta hit play.
run accident, your bond is $5,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Krina Shoemaker until this case is complete. You do qualify for a public defender.
Now I want to.
Your preliminary hearing is March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Would you like to waive that, sir?
Who's that when the hearing gonna be?
It's March 26th.
Day after my
Okay.
birthday.
All right, I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
What's your name, sir?
Helen Gomez.
All right, sir, you've been charged with altering ID or criminal use of something with an altered ID, a gun. Your bond is $5,000.
What? Hold on.
Do you have-
That did not make any sense. Hold on. I missed it. I'm perplexed. I'm what? Altering ID with a gun? Pew pew, is that what she said? Is that what she actually said? Oh, it scratched out the serial number. That might make more sense. Hey, Mr. Last Name. What's going on? Rick, what a good reminder. Thank you. Facial crimes against humanity. Let me hit this.
a job, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, you do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right, I wish you all the best.
Yes, sir.
I'm Henry, ma'am.
All right, so
All right, what's he been charged with? It's time to guess the crime. Put your guesses in the chat. Get your guess in for what did he do? Why is he here? Why are we talking about him right now? Also, if you're just getting here, make sure that you've hit the like button on the video. It is so helpful. It's free. Also, just hanging out is really helpful too. Using AOL in 2024. I like these. These are funny. I like them, like them, like them, like them, like them. I like them a lot. I like them a lot. I hope certainly not. I hope certainly not. You guys are funny. I'm gonna go get a drink, so I'm gonna let it play for a few minutes here. While oh my god, but this would be horrible. All the cookies? Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Who, me? Couldn't be. Then who? I don't know. I never got that far. I just always like, not me. Okay. Erica. Oh, wait, Rick. Look at you. Yay. I don't know if anybody's getting them. And let me play my thank you thing. Yay, Rick. Thank you. I hope somebody got the membership. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really like that. I think my arrow is just almost placed perfectly. I gotta change it up a little bit, but we're really, really close. It's a good reminder, folks. Make sure that you turn gifting on because we have amazing people around here who gift memberships. They do things like that. It's amazing. And right after this, we have a members only where we're going to be watching something a little bit out there, not related to court today, just for fun. Just a little Sunday hangout, our Sunday members only. So if you want to be a member, make sure you figure it out. Jonathan knows how to tell you how to do it. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to go grab a drink. Let's keep watching. Oh, apparently all I have to say is that, and then look what happens. Thank you, Chris. I hope somebody got it. Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Chris Engleby, for gifting a membership. Rick, thank you as well for gifting memberships. One more to add to the fam. Thank you. You guys are amazing. Y'all rock. Even Streamlabs, I'll give it to you today, Streamlabs. When I'm in charge of those alerts and you're in charge of the other stuff, it seems that we work pretty good together. Do, 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 do. I know, I don't know how to do the half and half, but one day I'll figure that out, and then you'll see me dancing to the music. I'll play it one more time. Do, 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 do. Thank you guys so much again. Okay, I literally am going to go grab a drink. Please let me play. I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, shit.
you've been charged with criminal trespass. Your bond is $1,500. Your bond has special conditions that you're not having any contact with Jalea Henry and that you're not returning to 221 Upper Riverdale Road until this case is complete. Based upon your application, sir, you do not qualify for a public defender. You would have to hire your own attorney. Your preliminary hearing is March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, and you'll be released later today. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, wish you all the best.
I was the first one.
What's your name, sir?
Justice Holman.
All right, Mr. Hallman, you've been charged with obstruction of an officer. Your bond is $3,000. Possession of firearm by a convicted felon, your bond is $3,000. 2 counts of loitering and prowling, your bond is $1,000 each. For those, the total amount of your bond is $8,000. You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay? I wish y'all the best.
How you doing?
What's your name, sir?
Jalen Holmes.
All right, Mr. Holmes, you've been charged with battery family violence. Your bond is $3,500. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Latasha Massenberg, that you not return to 3160
Creekwood Drive.
Creekwood Drive in Morrow, yes. All right. You can make an appointment with the sheriff and go out to pick up any belongings that you have within 10 days of your release, okay?
Okay, so like, will I get like an order bond or?
You do have bond. Your bond is $3,500. If you make bond, you'll be released, but you cannot go back to that residence or have any contact with Latasha Massenberg, okay?
Okay.
All right, do you have a job, sir?
Yes, I do. I can't get,
What type of work do you do?
I have a forklift job, ma'am.
Is
And
that hourly?
yes, I get paid $18 an hour. I honestly can't get to my money right now. So like, is there any, I ask, I beg, is there any way that I can get a signature bond? Please,
All right,
ma'am.
sir. I'm not able to adjust your bond at this time, okay? You do qualify for a public defender to assist you. Your preliminary hearing is March 26th. Would you like to waive that?
No,
All right, it's March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
I still have a bond though, right?
We do have a bond, yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Top of the morning to you, honor.
What's your name?
Malik Lily.
All right, sir, you've been charged with
Oh, I just caught it in time. What's he been charged with? She's so fucking fast. Hard to play this game with you, Judge. It's hard to play this game. Is that a singular rat tail at the back? Or is it pulled into the back? He was very polite, the last guy. Let's say that. But that's not, I might spend it on pot too. Oh, Jonathan, I already knew that. Somebody, yeah, I'm not even gonna talk about it. I'm not even gonna talk about it. I think there's something simple going on, but I'm not sure if it's assault. Stealing roses from the botanical garden. I guess there could be flowers in Florida, right? Or in Georgia right now, right? Right? Okay. Let's go. Let's go, sir. And no more bets, eh? Okay, well, that last bet. And now we'll see.
theft by taking, your bond is $2,000. Simple battery, your bond is $2,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Gaston Lane or Tyrena Lane until this case is complete. You do qualify for a public defender. Would you like to waive your preliminary hearing, sir?
No, ma'am. Can I get a signature bond?
All right, sir, I'm not able to adjust your bond at this time. Your preliminary hearing is March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
All right.
I wish you all the best.
It's not in the white box.
Oh, my sir.
What's your name, sir?
What is your name? What did you do? That's the game we're playing with you. It's time to guess the crime. What did he do? I know, right? What? Say what? That beard is crazy. Oh, Jonathan, you like it? I don't know. I think it needs some beard oil. I've seen better beards. I'll say that. I'll say that. I'll say that. I love a man with facial hair. I won't lie, but not that kind. I won't say that. I won't say that. It looks like a trapezoid. It does. It looks like the top of a fucking stop sign or something. Not ZZ top enough? What do you think? You don't think it's ZZ top enough?
Lamar, not Lamar.
All right, sir, you've been charged with violating the Georgia Controlled Substance Act and 2 counts of violating the Georgia Controlled Substance Act. No bond has been set because you're currently on probation. You are also charged with possession of marijuana less than an ounce. Your bond is $1,000, and use of possession of drug-related objects. Your bond is $1,000. So overall, you don't have a bond at this time. Do you have a job, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, you do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I wish you all the best.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, this kid is here.
What's your
What
name?
did he do? What did this guy do? I try and always say my letters the way I was taught. I'll say that. My Fitbit's like, hey, bitch, move. Get off your ass. Move out the way. Stop being lazy. It's not what it does say, but if it did say that, I think I would move more. I'll say that. You guys are getting in your guesses. We have seen the occasional juvenile here. He could be a young guy. He could also just look real young. You never really know these days. I mean, have I mentioned 15 times today that my birthday is on March 25th? But along with that comes me getting older, I guess. I mean, that happens every day in reality. Licked a cashier at the gas station. Oh, what a bad day at work, hey? What a bad day at work. You have to explain that to your spouse. Like, it's a horrible day. He fucking licked me. What do you mean he licked you? He fucking licked me.
Sir?
Hey,
All right, Mr. Patton, you've been charged with improper lane change. Your bond is $500. Driving or a learner's permit violation, your bond is $500.
Improper lane change? Violation of a learner's permit. Oh my golly. Oh my golly. Oh my golly.
In possession of marijuana less than an ounce, your bond is $1,000. Total amount of your bond is $2,000. Based upon your application, sir, you do not qualify for a public defender.
What?
Would you like to waive your preliminary hearing?
yes.
All right, I have you as waived. All right, I wish you all the best, okay?
Sign in the white box. Okay.
Oh, sir. All right. Tons of fun carving. Thanks for being here. Thanks for checking in. Make sure that you've hit the like button. I know you always do. Let's guess at the same time what's going on here with this gentleman. He looks defiant. I'll say that. And then what else was I gonna say? Can't remember. can't really remember. I can't remember. Being creepy and going out in public. I know you guys are so funny. So, I mean, the sad part is, imagine if you were locked up for like an improper lane. Oh, that's what I was talking about. They are really, really. This is in Clayton County, Ed, which is a contiguous county to Fulton County, which is where Atlanta is in Georgia. So contiguous means they touch. And so it is literally right next to where Atlanta is. And, but I'll tell you the truth. A lot of us court watchers have watched Judge Manning. And some of those people are left in their jails for long periods of time. These people are given much more reasonable bonds. I would just have to say, and it's a matter of literal miles between them. So interesting.
What's your name, sir?
Special reporter.
Now, Mr. Porter, you've been charged with a family violence order violation. Your bond is $3,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact.
Oh, TPO violation, a family violence order type TPO violation, basically. That's interesting. We don't often hear about those. We hear about them threatening it a lot. In some states, a TPO violation can be a 10-year felony. I would consider this a DV charge if it's a violation of an existing DV TPO, for references of the game that we're playing, of course. But not cool, dude. Not fucking cool. Look at his hair. Look how angry he looks. Oh. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
With Cornelius Jackson, and it should not return to 8073 Magnolia Drive until this case is complete. Do you understand, sir? All
Cornelius.
right. Do you have a job? Will not be returned.
Oh, I hit the button, the wrong one, but it's fucking Cornelius Jackson. What? Hold on. Where did he go? Oh, that was him right there, right? No. No. I feel really bad. No, it's right there. Did she say Cornelius Jackson? Oh, there it was, right there. This is where we were exactly, because his hair looked exactly like that.
Now, Mr. Porter, you've been charged with a family violence order violation. Your bond is $3,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Cornelius Jackson, and it should not return to 8073 Magnolia Drive until this case is complete. Do you understand, sir? All right. Do you have a job?
I mean, I do, but I haven't been a real lady come on boss with a trip.
All right. You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing, would you like to waive it, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right. It's set for March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay? I wish all the best.
You got a son? At least so.
All right, Mr. Sam.
Okay, what did this guy do? That was, get your guesses in. I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna grab, I forgot to, whatever. I'm gonna run it.
Sanchez.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you've been charged with public drunk. Your bond is
Public
$1,000.
drunk.
Okay.
You do qualify for a public defender.
What are you in for? Aggravated blitz.
Would you like to waive your preliminary hearing, sir?
Yeah,
All right, I have you as waived, okay? I wish you all the best, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. What's your name, sir?
Daniel Sargent.
All right, Mr. Sergeant, you've been charged with criminal trespass. Your bond is $1,000. simple battery, your bond is $2,000. Another account of family violence battery, your bond is $2,000, and obstruction of an officer, your bond is $1,000. The total amount of your bond is $8,000.
Gentlemen, come on.
All of your charges should be misdemeanors, okay, sir? Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Navia King, that you not return to 925 Hanover Circle in Stockbridge, Georgia until this case is complete. You can make an appointment with the sheriff's office to go and pick up any belongings that you need, okay?
I live there.
Right, until this case is complete, you're not able to return there, all right, sir?
Yeah, you don't live there no more right now. Hi, Donna. Thank you so much. Look at this. Look what I made. Look what I made. Yay! You rock my world, Miss Donna. Setting us up for people to come to members only. You're watching Saturday Night Live and you think the host looks like me. I'll have to look at that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Donna, for supporting the channel as always and supporting me as always. We're gonna do members only after this. It's gonna be a blast. Did you go out dancing on Saturday night? Did I see that message? Did you guys go out dancing? I want to go out dancing. I do, actually. I would like to go out dancing a little bit. But I'm very tied to the internet. So anyways, and you have your purple herbook. Love it. Okay. Let's keep going. Thank you again. You're the best. Here, wait. Let me run it one more time because I made this. Yay! Love it.
All right, based upon your application, you do not qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing, would you like to waive it, sir?
Yes.
All right, I have you as waived. Do you understand your bond conditions?
So where am I supposed to go?
I don't know, sir, but you're not able to return there. But again, you can make an appointment with the sheriff and go pick up any belongings that you need until this case is complete or until the court, until your attorney tells you otherwise, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Night, Grant, or night, Chuck. Have a good one. Oh my goodness, sir. What did you do? Get your guesses in, guys. You hit 10K Paisley style. Thank you, Dana. You're so sweet. Hold on. I'm learning this new system. You were at the zoo. That's awesome. I want to go to the zoo always. Oh, Vicky's made coffee. Thank you. I'll take it in my Bubba mug. Awesome. We're guessing. We're playing this game. Guess the crime. Guess the crime for this guy. Criminal impersonation of a toe. You guys are making me laugh. Oh, thank you. We have done pretty good this week, Donna. I had a few videos that went a little bit, got some views, I'll say. Viral for me. I know, right? Judge Van's good. Let's see. Stole a wig. Dangerous. He looks like he's totally fine. I know I'm one. Hopefully it keeps going. Was he at a gas station when he smashed the birthday cake though? Cellulite yoga pants. We won't stop. We won't stop. We won't stop. Love it. No more bets. No more bets.
Name, sir?
Ma'am,
What's your name?
Michael Jerome Smith.
All right, Mr. Smith, you've been charged with criminal trespass. Your bond is $1,500. You're not to return, your bond special conditions is you're not return to the airport. Do you understand, sir?
No
Yes,
airport.
ma'am.
Yes,
All right. you
that's
do
on the bingo
qualify
card.
For public defender. Your preliminary hearing, would you like to waive it, sir?
No, sir. No, ma'am.
All right, it's set for March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I wish you all the best.
You got it, son. Come here, look.
Does he have a teardrop? Is that a tattoo on his face? Is that a tattoo on his face? No aeropuerto for you, sir. As usual, we love it. Guess the crime. What did he do? Does he literally have a tattoo on his face? What did his mom think? Did she cry for the next 7 days? If your kid comes home with a face tattoo, there's only really a few things to do.
What's your name, sir?
Orlando Stevenson.
All right, Mr. Stevenson, you've been charged with battery family violence. Your bond is $3,000. Cruelty to children in third degree, your bond is $2,000. The total amount of your bond is $5,000. Your bond has special conditions that you not have any contact with Kawana Thomas until this case is complete. You do qualify for a public defender.
No contact with guana? Guana? Like as in bat guana? Is that all I can think of? My goodness.
Your preliminary hearing, would you like to waive it, sir?
Yes.
All right, I have you as waived, okay? All right, I wish you all the best.
What's the letter? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
As a quick reminder, although cruelty to children and elderly people is absolutely not acceptable, please remember that in the state of Georgia, cruelty to children in the third degree is what I would consider an add-on charge or a tack-on charge that often goes along with any fight or argument that caused police to be called in the state of Georgia. So where children were in the home, they don't have to be they don't actually have to have witnessed it necessarily, but if they were in the home, then you can get a cruelty to children in the third degree charge. It's important to know that because cruelty to children in the second and first degree are different than cruelty to children in the third degree. But I just know for what I'm aware of is that it is, in fact, generally related to being in an argument in a home where children are. And they'll tack it on like multiple times. So oftentimes it'll be a DV charge and then cruelty to children in the third degree. And so while again, we hear cruelty and children in the same sentence or charge, and we think that's so serious, and it is, but it is something that, again, listen to what degree it is and where it is, because each of them mean very specific and different things. That's sort of the different thing about law and each of these charges is they are very specific and they have specific elements that need to be met in order for them to be found guilty. And so that's why there's third degree, second degree, first degree, etc. So I just know in Georgia it sounds bad and you jump to that, but it tends to be about fighting in presence of children. So the more you know, I need to get that one too.
How you doing today, sir? What's your name?
Demetrius Tony.
All right, Mr. Tony. You've been charged with speeding. Your bond is $500. Reckless driving, your bond is $2,000. And license not on person, your bond is $500. Total amount of your bond is $3,000.
You're too sweet.
Based upon your application, sir, you do not qualify for a public defender. You would have to hire your own attorney. Would you like to waive your preliminary hearing?
No, ma'am.
All right, it's set for March 26th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, all right, sir?
Thank you.
All right, I wish you all the best.
Yes, ma'am.
People have been mostly polite tonight. Oh,
What's your name, sir?
what did he do? What did he do? What did he do? What did this one do? What did this one do? What did this one do? First of all, Dana, I love that. Thank you for saying it. But again, I failed so much school. My brain works so differently. I am good at explaining certain things, but I am not traditionally good at education. So I find law school, that would be very crazy because I have never even been to university. I did not graduate high school. I had to go back and finish it afterwards. We've told that story. Anyways, okay, what do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Oh, what do we think? That's true. Jana says they can't math. That's true. That's true. I wonder if they'll take my YouTube portfolio as like part of my degree. I doubt it. Anyways, no more bets. Let's find out.
DeAndre Thompson.
All right, Mr. Thompson, you've been charged with possession of marijuana listed and ounce. Your bond is $1,000. Theft by receiving stolen property, a felony, your bond is $5,000. And loitering, your bond is $1,000. The charge of possession of firearm during the commission of crime has been dismissed at this time.
Oh, partial D.
It's upon your application, sir. You do not qualify for a public defender. You would have to hire your own attorney.
A partial D.
Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay? All right. I wish you all the best, all right, sir?
He's already gone, lady. They all did their same hair. Yes. Big D's, medium D's, partial D's. Yeah, my YouTube degree. Well, we'll see. It's not legal advice. I know enough legally to know that. It's not legal advice. I'll know that. I think this dude was a DUI. That's what I'm going with this gentleman. As a reminder, we're almost at the end of our show for this afternoon, our Sunday Court Watchers Anonymous meeting, where we don't make you stop watching court, but we will give you a note if you need it for your mom or your judge. We will be doing members only afterwards. It's going to be fun. I have found some funny stuff for us to watch. I'll have to watch some of it muted, obviously, because of, you know, copyright. But it'll be fun. So if you're not a member yet, think about it and get ready. I think we'll be starting at 6 o'clock for members only. Unfortunately, why didn't we see this coming out like that? All right, no more bets. No more bets.
Thomas Underwood. Go with the voting.
All right, Mr. Underwood, you've been charged. You know what your charge is, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, no bond has been set at this
What?
time. Do you have a job?
We don't.
I do.
Judge? What the fuck? Hold on. Oh, yeah, they can still strike you in members only. For sure. You still have to follow all terms and conditions of YouTube. Of course, YouTube Daddy, and we always do that, and we want to do that, and that's never, ever a problem. Yeah, what? This is weird. He obviously did something not very good if she doesn't even want to say it. I guess my pervert alert's going off now, too. Why didn't you see it? That's funny. Oh, that's funny. That's funny.
a very good job that I just got.
You
And
just started?
I just started. Is it okay if I say something?
I just started on Monday.
Go ahead.
Yeah, this is a mistake. I've been doing this 20 years. I've never been in trouble for this. I'm coming from a different state to this state. The rules were a little different. This was not an intentional thing. During the time frame when this happened, I was in Chicago in another situation. So I couldn't be here at that time. The moment they told me about this, I came straight here, I turned myself in, and I came to handle this. Only thing I'm concerned about is losing my job, and I just had a baby.
Just had a baby, putting it on the bingo. What is he fucking talking about, by the way?
And on whatever
So
court date I
vague.
have, I do have the proof that I was in a case in Chicago. I can bring that to court and show it. And Your Honor, I haven't had a criminal case in 20 years.
Humble brag.
All right, sir, I'm not able to adjust your bond at this time. If I'm able to adjust it, I will, okay? At a later time, I'll look at it, all right?
When you say later time, what do we? Wait, so I have no bond?
No, you don't have a bond right now. Okay?
So what do I do next?
You do qualify for a public defender. Your next hearing date is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
I'm gonna lose my job. I mean, Your Honor, honestly speaking, I'm not even that person anymore. I haven't been in trouble in 20 years. And this was only an accident. Even the officer that's in charge, Officer Clerk Pitts, said it yesterday. She said, this is a mistake. Like, this wasn't something I did intentionally, Your Honor.
All right, I understand, but I'm not able to adjust your bond at this time, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, I wish you all the best.
I'm desperate to know what he did. What was his name again? Oh my God. Go back 1 minute. Watch this. Look at him come in. Watch. His hair. His hair. Okay, and it's definitely meth related right here. Meth or heroin. Heroin. Oh my God. What is with the hair today, you guys? He does, right? Okay. Let's go.
White.
What's your name, sir?
Christopher Wiggum.
What's your name?
Christopher Wiggum.
All right, you've been charged with
Wiggum?
improper turn.
Wiggle? We joking, right? Also improper turning? Is this a joke? Like Chief Wiggum from The Simpsons? Oh, that makes me miss Universal Studios and The Simpsons land. Because I'm an adult child.
Signal, your bond is $500. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce, your bond.
White.
What's your name, sir?
Christopher Wiggum.
What's your name?
Christopher Wiggum.
All right, you've been charged with improper turn signal, your bond is $500. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce, your bond is $1,000. 2 counts of violating the Georgia Controlled Substance Act, felony offenses, your bond is $5,000 for each of those. The total amount of your bond is $11,500, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
No, you signing your bonds. You got to sign?
What's your name, sir?
Jakar, Jack.
All right, so you've been charged with driving without a license. Your bond is $1,000. Theft by receiving stolen property. Your bond is $9,000. You do qualify for a public defender. Your preliminary hearing is March 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. All right, sir?
Yeah, you know, if I qualify for signature bar.
No, sir, I'm not able to adjust your bond at this time, okay? All right, I wish you all the best.
What's the name, sir? Zachary.
What's your name, sir?
Thomas Paul.
All right,
Are you 17, bro? Are you tripping?
have you decided to waive, sign your waivers at this time?
Yes, ma'am. My attorney.
Okay, all right. So deputies, I believe he's already, been here. He's just here to sign his waivers. He just needs to sign his waivers for extradition.
Yes, ma'am, and he signed them already.
Okay, perfect. All righty.
Yes, I think.
Is that everybody?
Yes, ma'am, he's the last one.
Yes, okay. Oh, sorry, your 30 days will start today, okay?
He didn't hear you.
I think your 30 days will start today. I'll look at it again though, okay?
Yeah, 30 days will start tomorrow.
All right, all right. I wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best, she says, and I agree with her. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. We are going to do members only. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Pacific. That's 9 p.m. East and everything in between. We're going to do a taste test. I will be trying Dr. Pepper for the first time ever on camera. A little bit nervous. I will also be showing you some funny things. It'll be fun. I hope you decide to join us. I will post the link to that in a little bit here shortly, just in a minute or two after we go live here. Never done one in StreamYard, so we'll see how that goes. Thank you again so much for being here. Thank you so much for all your support. As a reminder, I so appreciate everybody that donated, but if you can't donate or you don't want to, that's okay. I'm just glad you're here. So, you think Dr. Pepper's awesome? Well, I don't know. And I don't drink any diet pop, so I'm in no way into diet. I'm not going to be drinking diet Dr. Pepper. I'll just drink Dr. Pepper. Marielle, we're going to members only at 6 o'clock. We just had some fun. We're going to watch. It's going to be fun. It's funny. Yeah. Just a chill Sunday. I hope everybody's doing well. I got a bunch of shit to do, but you know how I do. I do it in the middle of the night. So it's like the beginning of my day right now. Starting. Anyways, I'm gonna make buns later. Brioche buns, yes. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Remember, I love you. I'm proud of you. And I will see you in the next video. I gotta do a fucking exit thing one of these days, guys. One of these days. Bye. Bye.